welcome to this talk show by Naukar Digital Institute. My name is Preet Shah. I'm a chartered accountant and a faculty member at Naukar Institute. Naukar has been a pioneer institute in professional coaching since the past 23 years, providing coaching for CA as well as CS. Naukar is into coaching for international courses like US CPA, US CMA, and UK ACCA since 2016 and has been producing wonderful results in that too. Today with me are CA CPA Moiz Izzi and CA CPA Neil Anil Mehta, okay, who cleared their CPA through Naukar Digital Institute. Welcome Moiz and welcome Neil.
Hello. Well,
All right. My first question will be to Moiz. This talk show will be very informative for all the students. Very informative for all the students who are planning to do CPA after CA. Okay. And for all those who are planning for CPA, they can also watch this video for information about CPA. Okay. My first question would be to Moiz. Moiz, tell us about your journey. Tell us about your journey for chartered accountancy, and when did you from where did you do your chartered accountancy?
So my journey for CA started in 2012.
Okay.
I joined Naukar. I am a student of Naukar from 2012 till 2019. I can say that. So I cleared my CA in 2016.
Okay.
So then I started working in Reliance Industries Limited for about a year, and then I had an idea for about doing some additional qualification, which is basically recognized around the world. So I had this thought. I approached Naukar. I attended one demo session also. So then I had a meeting with Urvis sir. We had a discussion for about 1 hour. What are the scope for?
Okay, so what were you taught in that demo session that was conducted by Naukar? You know, all the basics were given regarding CPA, right?
Yeah, all the basics regarding CPA, the path and the procedure, and also how Naukar will be assisting them in doing the entire CPA and their journey throughout, from the preparation to procedural aspect and for applying also. So that was very much informative. I can recommend also that anyone who is planning for doing CPA, he or she can go and just attend the demo session so they can get a basic idea about it.
Okay.
And then I had a meeting with Urvis sir for about 1 hour, and then we went into thorough discussion regarding state selection, regarding my planning for the studies, because I was also working. So they recommend me to attend weekend batches, but I was working in Mumbai. So they said that no problem. We also offer a distance learning kind program. So even if throughout the learning process, if you have any queries, you can mail us, and the faculties at the Naukar will respond to that queries.
Okay. So at Naukar, we have weekday batches also, weekend batches also, and even distance learning programs for students like Moiz who work in Mumbai and are not able to attend the lectures. Okay. Neil, tell us about your journey for chartered accountancy, then we'll move forward for CPA also.
Yes. So actually, for me, CA was, the way to go right from the beginning, because my father is a CA. So obviously, looking at him as my role model, I was always into CA.
Okay.
And I joined Naukar right from CPT and throughout the IPCC. In finals, we had to move to another city. We had to move to Gandhinagar. And so I was not able to join any lectures, and I had to do it completely on my own. And at that time, I don't think that digital institution was that much popular at that time.
Yes.
And obviously, if someone is looking to do CA right now, they have a big opportunity that we did not have at that time. Because if I'm not wrong, Naukar Digital Institute is completely operational. And it's quite nice. I've seen the lectures once. So that's how I started my CA from Naukar. And even though I was not a part of Naukar for finals, I used to contact the teachers. I used to contact Urvis sir and Dhaval sir quite a bit, because they used to guide me regarding how to go with all the self-learning throughout CA finals.
Okay.
And
thank you very much, Moiz. Okay. Thank you very much, Moiz and Neil. Well, actually, to be true, lot many students, after giving those treacherous 20 examinations of chartered accountancy, they feel saturated. That that's it. That's what I've done. I've done everything in my life. I've become a chartered accountant. But then you guys decided to do CPA. So, Neil, I would like to ask you, what's your motivating factor behind doing CPA? As I can tell my viewers that Neil completed his chartered accountancy in May 2019 only, and just after completing his chartered accountancy, he started with CPA. Okay, just after completing his chartered accountancy, he started with CPA in probably December 2019, if I'm not wrong, Neil. Yes. So he started with CPA in December 2019. Okay. So what is your motivating factor, Neil, that after giving such a difficult examination for chartered accountancy, which is already one of the most prestigious prestigious degree, already you have one prestigious degree, now you're deciding to go for CPA?
Yes, so after completing my CA exams, I was just going through what I can do next,
Okay.
because obviously CA was, I looked at CA as my primary degree. I always wanted to do something apart from that, because as you know that CA has become a bit common now. Yes, it is difficult. Yes, the result is still treacherous, as you said, but still I wanted to do something else. And at that time, I met Mayur sir. He is a faculty in Naukar itself, and he just asked me a bit about my likes and dislikes, and he came to know that this is not just a degree for me, it is something that I'm passionate about. Each and every subject of CA was always something I was always passionate about, and that's why he told me that CPA is the way to go for you, because you have gotten a domestic degree which is of very high standard, and now if I can get one international degree, and that too of a country like US, which is still the most dominant one as far as markets are concerned, then it will always be a start to my whole resume. And that's how I joined CPA.
That's very good, Neil. So, as per Neil, after completing your CA, which is one of the most prestigious domestic degree, having one international degree up your sleeve is definitely an added-on benefit which will double your value. Okay. And Moise, tell me about your motivating factor. How did you decide to go for CPA?
So the basic idea for doing the CPA came when I was working with Reliance Industries Limited.
Okay.
So I while working over there, I got the idea that how there are multinational corporations who are operating their business and have diversified into multiple fields and operating around the world in different countries. So I came across the idea that how Indian CAs can assist those MNCs in their international compliance or consulting to establish in different parts of the world. So that was the basic intention or the thought process before getting into the CPA. Then I searched for different degrees around the world
Okay.
who are most popular or who are most well recognized. So there was multiple option: Australian CPA, UK CCA, US CPA. But as far as all the research aspects or that are concerned, I came across that US CPA is still more recognized across the world and in most of the countries. So yes, ACCA is good. IFRS are well implemented into most of the countries, but the knowledge regarding US GAAP and in India also, most of the businesses will be establishing from US subsidiaries. So that was the basic intention and then idea process that I chose to do US CPA.
Okay. So Moise, from where did you do your US CPA? You did it. I mean, definitely you took the digital learning program for Naukar Institute. Tell us about your
Yes.
experience with this digital learning program up with Naukar Institute, because as per my information, you were probably situated in UAE
Yes.
while you were studying for this CPA. You
CPA.
were placed in UAE, and
Yes.
then from there only you contacted Naukar Institute from time to time.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the first meeting with Urvis sir was in that at that time I was working in Mumbai. Then I shifted to UAE because there was two destination at that time for examination, USA or UAE. So I chose UAE because I have some contacts over there, and I can very well get into the environment in UAE. That's why I chose UAE. Now there is option for students like the centers are established in India also. So
Yes.
that is a very good advantage now. So in UAE, what I was doing was like to start a subject. The digital learning program with Naukar is offering is it is very much good. The entire course curriculum is well divided, so you can easily plan your studies. There is also an inbuilt timetable kind of thing, wherein you can select your hours of study, and you can decide on your own that how much progress you want to make on each subject during certain months or certain period. So that was very much advantage on my part. Apart from that, what unique I get in Naukar was like somewhere I was stuck, that how to or which subject should I first start with. So at that time I contacted Mayur sir, and he said that if I as a faculty, if I advise something, that will be not very much into your environment, means you as a student what you are thinking, I probably would not be able to understand. But let me do one more thing is I will connect you with some person who has already done CPA, who has been in this environment or in this process or what you are planning to do, and he will be more assisting you and advise you. So that way I connected with Umang Kelani. That person has already done CPA from Naukar. So we connected. That was like a buddy kind of system.
Okay.
Yeah, they contacted me with one person who is into the same process.
Just like we are doing this talk show with the students only. For the students only, we are conducting this talk show with the students that have already cleared CPA, so that the students can come to know their frame of their mindset. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very good, Moise. Thank you very much. Neil, you also gave your CPA exam from Ahmedabad only. Okay, and that's probably the first attempt in India, since in 2020 only it was launched in the first attempt in India, and you gave all your 4 examinations in that first attempt. So can you tell us about your experience in giving your examination in Ahmedabad? Because I'm pretty sure that that saved a lot of time, that saved a lot of money also, and that saved you from a lot of hassles.
Actually, I had talked with Mayur sir about that, and I wanted to give at least 2 of those papers in April.
Okay.
But obviously, as you know, due to the whole pandemic situation, it was not possible. But I feel that this was a silver lining of the whole situation, because I got to give the exams from Ahmedabad, and I was planning to give the exams from US because that saves a bit of fees, right? And overall, it is a bit cheaper if you go to US. Obviously, it's much more difficult physically, but obviously to save a bit of fees, I was thinking about that. But yes, a 20-hour journey was cut into 2 minutes or 3 minutes, because the institute is just 5-minute walk or 2-minute drive from my place.
Okay.
So yes, it was quite fortunate for me, and I don't think that I would be able to give all the 4 papers had it not been in Ahmedabad.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So Neil gave all the 4 papers from Ahmedabad in one go only. Okay, Neil, can you tell us about how did you study, or how did you prepare yourself for all the 4 subjects of CPA?
Yes. See, first of all, if someone does not know this, NDI provides both their own lectures as well as Wiley lectures. Wiley is a reputed brand all over the world for many years, for many decades, in fact. And they provide both of those. They provide the material, the hard copy material, as well as the video lectures, so that the student can use what he's familiar with. So I went through the material thrice. I did not watch the videos because I'm not familiar with that process. But yes, I read the material thrice, and just went through all the MCQs and the task-based simulations that Wiley and Naukar gave to me. And let me tell you that is quite a robust process. In
Okay.
fact, the number of MCQs that Wiley and Naukar gives, they prepare you completely for the exams. There are times when you are doing 150 to 200 MCQs at a go using Wiley and Naukar. And when you are going through that many MCQs and inculcating that much concentration during the whole process, when you go to the main exams and you have only 60 MCQs to go through, it looks like a cakewalk.
Yes.
So I did it that way. Secondly, when I came to know that I had an opportunity to give all the 4 papers in June itself, and due to the situation, it was not right for me to wait for 3 months because no one knew what will happen 3 months later in the whole situation. So again, I had a talk with Urvish sir. He told me that it is very much possible that you can give all the 4 papers. And as you know, for a CA student, for someone who has done CA, anything is possible.
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
after getting some motivation from him and Dhaval Gandhi sir, I started studying all the 4 subjects simultaneously since April. So for April and May, I did this and then studied for each and every paper for 1 week and then gave the paper at Ahmedabad itself.
That's very good. To all the viewers, just for the information of the viewers, Neil started with his preparation in December 2019. In May 2019, he completed with his CA. He got his result probably around August, somewhere around August only. That's the average time. And he started with his CPA preparation in December 2019. He cleared his CA in August 2019. He started with CPA preparation in December 2019. And in June 2020, within almost around 6 months preparation, he gave all the 4 subjects at one go and cleared and became a CPA. But there's a disclaimer to this. Which Neil would like to say, I guess.
Yes. I'd like to tell everyone that this is possible, but only at link of studying. Because as
Neil, can you repeat that?
Yeah, there should be a link to the whole study pattern. Because I had just completed my CA, I had that link of studying long hours, and I had that link of connecting each and every subject and studying it in a systematic manner. So when I started with CPA, I had that link with me, and that saved a lot of time for me. So in case, just like Moise did, he had completed his CA, and after that, for a few months or for a few years, he did a job and then started with CPA. In that case, obviously, it would take a bit more time because there is that link of studying has been lost during that whole process. But obviously, if you have just completed your CA or if you are waiting for your CA results, which obviously won't be the case right now.
Mm-hmm.
But if that is the case, then you can definitely go for completing CPA in 6 to 8 months. I don't think it would be that difficult, especially if the exams are being conducted in India itself.
So, as per Neil, it is also possible to complete your CPA in 6 months, provided you just completed your CA and your passion to study and that linkage between CA and CPA is not lost. Thank you very much, Neil. Moise, over to you. So you have used the Wiley material from the Wiley material that is provided by Naukar through DLB. Did you find any similarities in the questions asked in the actual examination and the exam, or any questions that were asked in the Wiley material?
Yeah, that was very much similar because the material which is provided by the Naukar, the reading material, that is quite sufficient to grasp the entire concept and the understanding about the subjects which is necessary. And as far as the examination and the practice aspects is concerned, Wiley has a very good learning pattern or digital learning program in which they offer a flexible kind of testing system in which you can design your test yourself. It means if you want to test yourself into 6 topics, if you want to test yourself for entire subject, that is also possible. So that is a very flexible learning program. Whatever you wish, that this is my first target to complete these 6 topics, 10 topics in a week. At the end of the week, there is a Sunday, so you can get extra time in Sunday. So what I was doing was on the Sunday there was a fixed pattern. What I have decided is I have to learn for a week some certain topics.
Okay.
At the end of the week, on the weekend, I take a test on those subjects.
So along with the job, you had to manage with these studies also, and that is why Sunday was a boon for you.
Yeah, so Sunday I take the test, and at the end of the test, you get the evaluation that whether you have grasped the topic or not, or whether you want to spend some time on the missing portion which you have left. So that is a good assessment. And also, like there are practice exams. The entire practice exam is designed in a way that you are actually taking the exams.
Mm-hmm.
And the environment which the learning module of Wiley offers is very much similar to the actual examination system. So you will not get any fear of exam.
Okay, so Moiz, as far as I know, there is no specimen paper available for the CPA examinations. So if there is no specimen paper available, how do you understand the technicalities behind the paper pattern or the paper style?
So the paper pattern or paper technicalities, not very much you have to go into.
Okay.
It's very much simple. There are 5 testlets. So for each subject, it is same as like your CA examination paper. Your question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So there are 5 testlets. So the first 2 testlets goes into MCQ. So those are the multiple choice question. You get the question, you have 4 options. So at the end of the testlet for question 1, you can take a voluntary break.
Okay.
So this is also very much planned by the Wiley, that they also offer a voluntary break at the end of testlet. So you don't panic at the time of exam that why after completing a question number, the examination stops. So this is very much planned by the Wiley.
Okay.
And first 2 testlets are MCQ and the next 3 testlets are task-based simulation.
Okay.
So this whole examination pattern which you are actually getting into the exam, the same way the Wiley learning module has the examination which is a practice-based examination.
Okay.
So there is not anything technical regarding this.
Okay, so Wiley already creates a simulation kind of thing, which will directly guide you through all the examination process. So you don't have to worry about giving your actual examination. Okay, thank you very much, Moiz. Moiz, since you are in UAE at at the time of your preparation, this complete process of registration, right from the state selection to the notice to schedule and all that is very tedious. So from UAE, how did you manage to do that complete process?
So this is where I can say that maximum contribution from the Naukar.
Okay.
Since my case was like what I feel was a unique one, because I was not absolutely available in Ahmedabad, and I did my entire education from Ahmedabad.
Uh-huh.
So this is where I can think that the maximum contribution from the Naukar, because right from the education evaluation till the time I get my result, the entire process was assisted from the Naukar only. So I shared my documents and everything. What Naukar has assisted was they prepared everything. They regarding the forms and transcripts for the education evaluation. So what I have to do is I have to only send one person to Naukar. They get the form and they submit it to the institute. So that way Naukar has assisted me in the education evaluation part. And after getting my transcript, even what I can say is courier. We have to send over the transcript by way of courier to NASBA in USA for education evaluation. That also was done on behalf of me from Naukar only.
Okay.
Because I have insisted to Mayur sir that please help me regarding this.
Yes.
And after education evaluation is cleared, then for NTS also there was one technical error in my case in NTS. I got my NTS. It was intimated to me, but I was not able to create login in the NTS portal. So I called Mayur sir here in Naukar that this is the case. I am trying to log in repeatedly. I have got my NTS now. I have to schedule my exam, and I was very much prepared for it. And I have decided my deadlines that I have to clear this examination in this testing time. Like 3 months was the testing window. That's why. So they contacted the center over there on behalf of me that this is the technical error which one of our student is facing, and they get it resolved.
Okay, so all that issues also, if they come between the registration process is completely facilitated by Naukar. All the documentation and the sending, and even if there are issues, that will be solved. All right, thank you very much, Moise. That was very informative. Neil, over to you. How was your registration process done? Because you registered in India, so that's a completely different situation. So you registered in Ahmedabad. That was the first time, and there will be a lot of newness in everything. So what? How did you manage to register?
Actually, the whole process in my case was completely messed up because I have done my BCom from IGNOU, that's Indira Gandhi National Open University, and I have not done the normal BCom course. I have done the BCom A&F course, which is a special course made only for chartered accountants.
Mm-hmm.
So, there is a requirement of 120 or 150 credits to give the exam. And in my case, I had no idea how many credits did I deserve for the whole course plus for CA. And the reason why it took me 1 month only to go for CPA was that I did not even get the answer for this. So when I talked to Mayur sir about this, about the whole situation, about my qualifications and what are the required credits and how many do I deserve for the same, he took a lot of work, he took a lot of labor for this, and he made a lot of inquiries to US, to the advocates that Naukar has in the US. And after 15 days of hard work from his side, he told me that no, you can go for it. You are ready to go, and you won't have any problem in the future. So yes, it started with so many halls, and even after getting into CPA, it was too difficult for me because my certificates were rejected twice. My whole package of transcripts was could not reach there in time because of some problem with the US post office. And at every point of time, I was helped by Mayur sir and the advocates that we have there. And due to that, I was finally able to get into the course, get myself registered, and go for NTS in April. So for me, the course itself was not as difficult as the registration process. and since it cost like $18,000 to $20,000 to even have a try at registration, there is always that fear that if we fail even once, it would cost us a lot. And there were times when I got all anxious and all worked up, and I went to Mayur sir time and again because Naukar is quite close to my place. So I went there time and again with my problems, and he just calmed me down. He'd tell me that just go for your studies, don't worry about this, we'll be taking care of all of this. And yes, because of him, I could get my NTS in May. And once I got the NTS, it was him who got anxious. It was him who started all the procedures for getting me my appointments with my exams in Ahmedabad. And yeah, it was, the procedure was difficult. In fact, the reason why we are so afraid to go for international courses is exactly this, because we are not so sure about the procedure. It is completely different from what we have in India. And when you get this kind of guidance in the whole procedure part of any degree, any professional or academic degree, you feel quite relaxed with the education part, and it gets quite easier to score more. Because a lot of your time has been saved, which would have not been had I gone for being independent in the whole registration process.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Neil. Moise, since you did the distance learning program, obviously during your studies also there might have arisen many doubts. Okay, so did Naukar help you through that doubt solving or anything, any of that area?
Yeah, very much. Because certain times what was happening was, since the course gets updated,
Yes.
so there was certain times at which I was confused about it, that whether a particular answer is right or wrong.
Mhm.
So in those scenario, I send over my queries over mail to Naukar, and they guide me very much that this is the scenario. This was the answer prior to this amendment or prior to these changes in the course curriculum, and now this is the answer. So that was very much uh, helpful regarding the studies, because certain times what the content or the reading material offers, and what Wiley is also offering, and apart from that also certain times you get stuck into some technical aspects, that this could be also a correct answer, or this could also be a possible solution. So
Yes,
if you want to
that's
be
the problem
sure,
with MCQ.
yeah, yeah. So if you want to be sure about it, then definitely there were times where I have made multiple queries. The mail ran for pages, and I got my answers
Okay,
every time.
okay. Thank you very much, Moise. Neil, a lot of students feel that it is enough to study and practice the content of Wiley material, even if they're using the Wiley material, that one time is enough. Is it really? Is it really advisable for them? Like, how many times did you? I mean, for yourself, how many times did the entire software of Wiley?
I read the material thrice. The
Okay,
whole
you read the
material
material right.
was, yeah, I completed it thrice. And apart from that, I did the MCQs at least twice. And
Okay.
those which I had flagged, I did it more than that. As far as task-based simulations are concerned, I did it once or twice, depending on the difficulty of the same, because they were quite time-taking. I feel that, the difference between CA and CPA ultimately comes to the type of questions that they ask. As far as CPA is concerned, it is more evaluation based and analytical based as compared to memory based questions, which was not the case with CA or any other degree or any other examination that that I had given in India. So, as far as CPA is concerned, getting yourself clear with all the topics and with all the concepts is the best way to ensure that you get the passing marks, or even much more than that.
Okay.
And
So,
in case yeah.
yeah. So, I mean, you want to say that with regards to CA, people should not understand, or people should not deem that this is an easy course because there are only 4 papers and there are only MCQ pattern and there's no theoretical one. So they should not take it as lightly. On the other hand, they should not stress out that this is an international course and what kind of questions will be asked. Because of the material, if you do that material thrice, as you did that, okay, so the whole material and the whole MCQs also and the practice exams, if you do that thrice by not taking it lightly and neither stressing it out, that would be the perfect, perfect break-even point for that area. Okay.
Yeah. Obviously, if you, just go through the whole material, see, the Wiley material is quite exhaustive. I'd say for all the 4 papers, it is quite exhaustive, and it gives you enough practice to crack any kind of question. In fact, one thing that I liked a lot about Wiley was the way they, made you practice using authoritative literature.
Okay.
Because there can be times when you don't remember the whole concept, you don't remember the logic, or you don't remember what you needed to do, you don't remember the rules. And at that time, when or when you have been taught how to use authoritative literature, which they give in task-based simulations, it becomes quite easy. You can just look it through. It would take 5 to 10 minutes if you are thorough with it. And you can use their own material on their own questions. And obviously, if you do that, there is no chance that you get anything wrong. In fact, if I remember correctly, in the regulation section, I used the authoritative literature for at least 40 marks of TBS out of 50.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Neil. That was very much informative. And Moise and Neil, last question for you guys. Any kind of tip which you want to give, for those students who want to clear CPA in their first attempt, as both of you cleared your CPA in the first attempt, very first attempt. So any kind of tip, the one special tip that you want to give?
Okay, this is the tip I normally give to others, even in case of CA, that read the whole material as a novel rather than using it as a study material. The reason for the same is because unlike CA or unlike any other course, you don't need to memorize anything, as I said. So when you read it like a novel, you get much more clear with your doubts. You can self introspect what are your strong points and what are your weak points, and at the same time you don't get stuck up at any point. So read it like a novel, and then when you come to MCQs and when you come to TBS, start treating them as your final exams.
Okay.
So when you do something like that, you get to get serious when it actually matters, and for that part for which you can just go through it, and the part which is more of meaning based, knowledge based, you go through it without any kind of stress.
All right, thank you very much, Neil. So as per Neil, it is an application based examination, so you don't have to memorize everything, but you have to understand the concepts and everything, and when you are giving your MCQ and TBS, you have to treat it like an examination. Thank you very much, Neil. Moiz, if you would like to wish to give any tips for those who want to clear their CPA in the first attempt.
What I would like to recommend is actually the entire process is a bit longer. So instead of direct targeting and focusing on the end results, you have to break down the entire process. Like what was in my case was I was working also and I was studying also. So, but obvious you cannot target like I will complete this entire thing in 1 day, 2 day, or 15 days. So you have to break down your entire subject curriculum. So plan well, fix your study timings, and whatever you are planning to dedicate your hours to the study, please do that, and please continuously do that. Don't try to find excuses regarding that I was not able to study for 1 day, 2 day. There may be some days, but you have to try it and cover it up. And what I will say is in CPA in particularly is study and evaluate. It is not study and appear for exam. It is study, evaluate, and then appear for exam. So study your portion, evaluate yourself, take repeatedly a small test or examination or practice examination, evaluate yourself, replan your studies, focus on the missing information, and when you are completely ready, then appear for exam. So that is the recommendation which I can give.
Thank you very much, Moiz. So as per Moiz, long-term planning in case of CPA is the key to success, and also not just studying as well as evaluating yourself by giving more and more examinations. There are thousands of MCQs which are available in Wiley, and against those thousands of MCQs that you are practicing, there are only a few handful of MCQs that will be asked in the examination. So that would be very much helpful for you. Thank you very much, Moiz and Izzy. Moiz and Neil, that was very much helpful for all the students over here. And you need to understand, guys, that if you are determined to do or determined to get an international degree, because in this current competitive world, having a domestic degree is not enough for gaining heights and heights in your career. You need an international degree also. Okay, and US CPA is the best international degree as per Neil, as per Moiz, and as per me also, is the best international degree that you can get. Thank you very much, guys. Here we bid adieu. Thank you.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.